You want a detailed view into the wall?
With our new Expert D-tect, you can now even do that in 3D. Hi, I'm Anja.
Hi, I'm Roland.
And today we proudly present our new Expert D-tect 18V-200-17C, our first 18-volt radar wall scanner, which thanks to AI makes detecting objects in walls even more precise and reliable than ever before.
And the name stands for D-tect detection, 18 volt for the 18 volt system, 200 for the maximum measuring depth, the 1 for first generation, the 7 for maximum feature set, and the C for connected.
What makes it special is our Bosch radar technology in combination with AI-powered object detection, which makes detecting objects in walls even more precise than ever before.
And with the 3D imaging, you have even in tricky situations a detailed view into the wall. Where do you use 3D imaging? For example, renovation of old houses where you often find sloped cables. Or drywalls, where you are looking for rolled up cables. And further example is concrete walls, where you have to make a hole and you need exactly to know where is the rebar or the rebar crosses.
Another use case would be bridge construction, or in earthquake regions where post-tension cables are used in concrete walls and you really must not harm them, otherwise the static would suffer. Of course, documentation gets more and more important these days. Also herefore, our 3D imaging feature is suitable.
Now let's have a look to the 3D imaging in the application. Therefore, we put the so-called 3D imaging poster onto our demo wall. Anja, for what is the poster?
Good question. I already scanned the wall with my wall scanner and found something weird is going on here. That's why I put the poster on the wall. And I need this now to make sure to be in line here with all these lines and also have the correct distances so my sensors can analyze these data correctly and give me an accurate 3D imaging picture. But let's have a closer look into our tool.
Yes, and I switched the tool already on and go now into the menu. If you look in the menu, it's exactly the same what you probably know from the D-tect200. And if I go down to measuring mode and select this one, you find now additionally the 3D imaging. Going down to this, I select it and I can directly start.
So as you can see on the display, the device already shows us what we have to do. So we move across the poster with the check mark, it's okay. Then we go to the line 1. Here we make sure that all our markings on the tool also align with the ones on the poster. We press start and just move along line 1. Now line 3 is displayed. We start and just scan the area we're really interested in. So as far as you have scanned your interesting area, you can finish the measuring with the checkmark button and have your 3D imaging. So what else can we say about our new Expert D-tect? It has the same feature set as the D-tect200C, but also with its IPS technology, we have better contrast and brilliant colors in any viewing angle. We also have TPE around our display for more protection, and thanks to glass instead of plastic, we are more scratch resistant.
And what I like to highlight is the ergonomic handle because it fits perfectly into your hand, and also the lightweight of 600 grams is really good. For our Expert D-tect, we recommend our standard 18 volt professional battery with 2 ampere hours, which is also included in the scope of delivery. But of course, you can use also all other 18-volt professional batteries.
Yeah, and as you can see, our D-tect comes in an L box together with a charger and of course our 3D imaging poster, which you can purchase from us also in various sizes.
And finally, you find also a USB cable to download or transfer your pictures.
If you enjoyed our video, please leave us a like.
Comment below and subscribe to our channel.
See you next time!